Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig.
Mommy Pig's birthday.
Today is Mommy Pig's birthday. Daddy Pig has made Mommy Pig breakfast in bed.
Happy birthday, Mommy Pig.
Peppa and George have made Mommy Pig a birthday card.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Oh, what a wonderful birthday surprise.
And there are more surprises to come. Enjoy your birthday breakfast. Take your time.
Yummy.
Quick, we have to get everything else ready.
Daddy Pig has made a birthday cake for Mommy Pig.
We just have to put the candles on. 1, 2.
Here I come.
Mommy Pig has finished her birthday breakfast.
Mommy's coming.
Oh no, we're not ready yet. Who is it?
It's Mommy. Can I come in?
No.
Is there something secret going on?
No, nothing's going on. But you can't come in.
I see.
Mommy Pig, why don't you relax in the living room?
That sounds nice.
Well, it is your birthday.
Okay, Peppa. I think I know where the living room is.
Here's a nice magazine.
Thank you, Peppa.
And here's some pretty music.
Thank you, Peppa.
We need the same number of candles as Mommy's age.
1, 2, 3.
Oh dear, we don't have nearly enough candles.
Daddy, how old is Mommy?
I'll whisper it in your ear.
Wow, that's really old.
You know, I think 3 candles will be fine.
Mommy Pig's birthday cake is ready.
Hooray!
We just need to put up the decorations in the living room.
Hello, Mommy.
Ah, there you all are. I was getting a little bored.
Mommy, would you like to take a nice walk in the garden?
Do I have any choice?
Nope. Bye-bye, Mommy. Have a very nice walk. We'll call you when it's safe to come back in.
I forgot what hard work birthdays were.
Daddy Pig, Peppa, and George are decorating the living room.
This is fun.
Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig have arrived for Mommy Pig's birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy Pig.
Aren't you coming inside? Oh, I can't come in yet. Daddy Pig, Peppa, and George are doing secret things for my birthday. How thoughtful. See you soon then. Bye.
Mommy, would you like to come inside now?
I'd love to.
Close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed, Mommy.
1, 2, 3. Open your eyes.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
What a wonderful surprise.
Blow the candles out and make a wish.
Mommy, open your presents. Can you guess what it is?
I have no idea.
Open it and see.
It's a beautiful dress.
You're beautiful, Mommy.
Now you just need somewhere nice to wear it.
What's this?
2 tickets to the theater. Tonight.
Thank you.
Mommy Pig loves going to the theater.
And Granny Pig and I are going to babysit the little ones.
Hooray!
What a wonderful birthday. I'm the luckiest mommy in the whole world.
And the most beautiful.